Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can use various operators in stata. So for this, first of all, let's see what are the various operators in stata which you can use. I have a list of all these operators which you can use in stata. So we have some arithmetic operators like you can use addition. For addition you can use this sign, for subtraction, multiplication, division, power, negation, and for string concatenation. We have these arithmetic operators. Then after that we have some logical operators in which you can use this AND operator, OR operator, NOT, and one more operator for NOT is there. And relational operators, these are the relational operators: greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and for equal to you have to use these two. Okay, so now we will take an example and we will understand how we can create how we can use these operators. So for this, let's go to this data and now here let us suppose that you have these industries, and you have here we have 10 industries. I'll show you the list of these industries. If you want to see the list of these industries, we have a command that is tabulate the name of the variable, that is industry, tabulate industry. So you can see here that we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. We have 10 such industries. Okay, different industries are there, and this is the frequency of these industries and percent and cumulative frequency. Now if let us suppose that I want to convert these industries, the name of these industries. For example, I want to make only 4 categories out of these 10 industries. I want to put chemical industry in manufacturing industry. I want to put electricity industry also in manufacturing industry. I also want to put machinery in manufacturing industry, and metal products, miscellaneous, textile, and transport equipments. All of them I want to put only in one industry, that is mechanical industry. That is the manufacturing industry. So all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7: chemical, chemical industry, electricity industry, machinery industry, metal product industry, miscellaneous, textile industry, and transport equipment. These are 7 industries which I will categorize as manufacturing industries. Okay, so and others will remain as it is. So it means that I will create now 4 industries. Okay, one will be the manufacturing industry, which will include these 7 industries, and second industry will be construction industry, third industry will be food industry, and fourth industry will be services industry. Okay, so now how I can use the if command here, if command and or operators here to do this task. So for this, what I will do is, I have already done this work earlier so that the time may be saved. So for this, what I have done is I have used this command, that is generate. Here I have used the command generate industry final. I have to I have this I have to for generating a new variable which is named as industry final, because I am finalizing my industries. So I have created this variable in industry final. Okay, and I have generated it using the generate command. Generate industry final is equal to manufacturing industry. So I have created this new variable, and I'll make sure that this variable does not exist. Mm, just wait, let me drop this, which was already created. So here, generate industry final. This is the variable I have created, and it it includes manufacturing industry, and manufacturing industry will be given to the name if industry, if this, if the industry, this one, if industry, this variable industry includes, it includes chemical. Okay, so if this list includes chemical like here, then this chemical will be converted into, this chemical industry will be converted into manufacturing industry. Okay, second, this is the operator which is OR operator. Or industry is equal to machinery. Okay, means that here, if it is chemical industry, then also it will be converted into manufacturing industry. In the same way, if it is machinery, then also it will be converted into manufacturing industry. Okay, and if industry is equal to metal product, then also it will be converted into manufacturing industry. If it is, or if it is miscellaneous, then also it will be converted into manufacturing industry. Or industry is equal to, here we have to use double equal to, okay, industry equal to textile industry, then also it will be named as manufacturing industry. Or industry is equal to transport equipment, then also it will be converted into manufacturing. Or industry is equal to electricity, then also it will be converted into manufacturing industry. As I had told you that I am going to convert these 7 industries, and I will make one industry out of these, which includes these 7 industries, and the name will be manufacturing industry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These 7 industries are included in a single industry, which is manufacturing industry. Okay, so this I have created, and now here you can see that here all those industries, this new variable has been created, industry final, and all those industries which were named as chemical industry, electricity industry, mechanical industry, textile, transport equipment, all these 7 are named as, are now named as manufacturing industry. Okay, I can show you like this also. Browse industry, industry final. So here you can see industry and industry final. If it is service industry, nothing will happen. If it is food industry, nothing will happen. Service industry, nothing will happen. If it is chemical industry, it is converted into manufacturing industry. If it is miscellaneous, it is manufacturing industry. Then construction, nothing will happen. Then machinery will be converted into manufacturing. Textile will also be named as manufacturing. Transport will also be manufacturing. Machinery will also be manufacturing, and so on. Okay, so this is how you can use if command, and you can use OR operator. In the same way, other operators may also be used here. I have used here these inverted commas. These inverted commas are used only in the case if you have a string here. If it is not a string, then there is no need to use these inverted commas. If you have number here, then there is no need to use these strings here. Now if I want to put other three industries, which are service, food, construction, these three industries also I want to put here in this industry final variable here, then what I have to do is I have to take the help of Excel for this. So what I will do is I will take the help of Excel, in which I will copy my industry variable. I will create a new Excel worksheet, and here in this Excel worksheet what I will do is copy I will copy the variable industry, and I will copy the other variable which I have just created, which is my industry final here. So now I have these two variables, and I will create a new column here which includes all of them, means which includes service industry, food industry, all of them, and also these converted names also. Okay, so now means here in the blanks, in those blanks I will put these. Okay, here in construction I will put this, here also I will put this. I can do it manually, but it will take a very long time for me to do this, because you can see here there are around 1,15,000 companies. Here you can see 1,13,000 such things are there, so it is very difficult for me to do this. So what I will do is I will take the help of another command here which is used in Excel, that is equal to if my B2 this, if B2 is equal to, if B2 is equal to this manufacturing, B2 is equal to, in this I have written manufacturing industry. I have to use inverted commas because I am using a string. So manufacturing industries, then what I have to write, then I have to write manufacturing industry, manufacturing industry. Okay. Means if B2, if in B2 there is manufacturing industry, then I will write manufacturing industry as it is, it will remain as it is. But if it is not, then after that I will write, if this is not the case, means if manufacturing industry is not written here in this column, manufacturing industry is not written, then what I will do, then copy whatever is written here in this column. So then if it is not the case, then then write A2. Okay, then write A2, and now I will close this and this. So here you can see that here nothing was written, so it has copied service industry here. In the same way, if you go downwards, then nothing has been written here. So what Excel has done, it has copied whatever has been written here in the first column. But here manufacturing industry is all written. So if manufacturing industry is written, here it will write manufacturing industry, not this one. Okay, so now I will further drag down it, and it it is doing the same thing. So now you can see here that one column has been created, which is the column for, now I will name it as industry final, and this column includes my four industries. The first industry is service industry, second industry is food industry, third industry is the manufacturing industry, and fourth industry is the construction industry. Okay, so four industries are there in the same column now. Now this is my final column, and I will copy it and I will paste it here in stata, but this column which I had created, now there is no need for it, because I have my improved new column. So I will drop this and I will paste here my new column which include all four type of industries. So treat first row as variable, and now you can see here that all these are now here. Okay, so this is how you can create the variables with this such a variable. Now if you want to summarize, now uh, if you want to summarize your data, then how you can use these commands. These operators can be used as, you can write here summarize. For example, you want to summarize the account payable, that is the variable is, the name of the variable is account payable. This variable you want to summarize this, and so summarize account payable, summarize account payable if your industry, if your industry is equal to, if your industry is equal to, if your industry is a manufacturing industry, let's say. But before this, let me show you. Now I have the final four type of industries. These are for that tabulate, industry final. These are my four industries now: construction industry, food industry, manufacturing industry, metal product. One thing has happened here, that is metal industry has not yet converted. Metal industry has not yet converted because here I have used this space here, and because of this it did not recognize the industry to be manufacturing industry. Okay, I should have not put here this space. Okay, so anyhow, if this is the metal product industry, so now we have these five industries. So now if I want to summarize, so what I will summarize the account payable, summarize account payable if year, sorry, if industry final, if industry final is equal to manufacturing industry. So here we can see that account payable has this much of observations, 19,850 with mean this, standard deviation, and minimum and maximum values are these. Now if you want to further want one more summarize account payable, if industry, let's copy it from here, summarize account payable if industry is equal to manufacturing industry and year is equal to 2012. Means now it will summarize only those account payables which have industry final as manufacturing industry and year should be 2012. Okay, here you can see that all these industries are for 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so now it will see only those manufacturing industries which are for 2012 only. It should be a manufacturing industry and it should be in the year 2012. So summarize this. So here we have 1365 such observations and the mean, standard deviation and minimum and maximum values are given like this. So this is how you can use the various operators in stata. I hope this video will help you, and if you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.